We take a lot of technology for granted. It's what moves us, allows us to see, and keeps us healthy. But even deeper than that, technology is made with reliable components from companies like Sur-Seal. With our fabricating expertise and the power of suppliers like 3M, we've created a single, superior source for converting materials for custom die-cut components of all shapes and sizes. At Sur-Seal, we have the highest standards and certifications, including clean room converting capabilities, so we can provide the best solutions for challenges like thermal management, component attachment, and buzz, squeak, and rattle. But we're not just converting experts. We're experts at creating value for our customers. With our engineering creativity, we're able to bring you solutions from concept to delivery and beyond. Sur-Seal offers a range of technical support to optimize your assembly, to save you time and money. And with access to a wide array of materials from partners like 3M, we can alleviate supply chain anxieties so you can get components at the speed you need. When you need the perfect components for your products, Sur-Seal's there to hold it all together. Sur-Seal Advanced Materials Solutions.